want to thank Modern Eyewear for going through and sending me this hard case for my glasses. This is a nice one. Go through and check it out together. And already feels really nice, velvety. And got a nice inside here. Got a little extras here, little screwdriver, and also a cloth. And on your keychain, that'd be cool. So this is pretty big. It is a good size. A lot of times they're not big enough. Let me see. My glasses aren't real large, but you can kind of see how easily they fit in this case. And yeah, it's a hard case. So yeah, they're not getting damaged in here. I'm trying to push down and I can't even push through. So they fit real nice in here and they'll stay safe. You could take your cloth out and kind of wrap it in the cloth is kind of what I would do. And then put them back in. My glasses, like I said, are a little smaller than most people's, so yours will probably be a little larger. I got them a little small by mistake. But they are expensive, so I want to definitely protect them. So something like this is important to have. So this will definitely keep it safe. It's not heavy either. And like I said, nice velvet feel, which is awesome. And let me check the interior. Yeah, interior is nice and soft as well on both sides. It's got a nice clamshell there. So yeah, definitely recommend this glass case. I wanted something for my glasses for traveling to make sure they stay safe, and now I have it. Thank you to Modern Eyewear. Definitely recommend them.